Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a self-employment verification letter. What is a self-employment verification letter? A self-employment verification letter is a document used to confirm an individual's status as a self-employed worker. It is often requested by various institutions, such as banks, lenders, landlords, or government agencies, to verify income and employment when the individual is not traditionally employed by a company. The self-employment verification letter typically includes information such as the individual's name, business name, if applicable contact information, the nature of the self-employed work, the duration of self-employment, and an indication of the individual's income or earnings. It may also include details about the individual's business license, registration, or any other relevant documentation. This letter helps provide evidence of the individual's income and employment when they don't receive a regular paycheck or W-2 form. It is often used as part of loan applications, rental applications, tax filings, or other financial transactions. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a self-employment verification letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. And then, write your occupation, and the company or business name. Write also the address of the company or office. It is necessary that you mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. You can start with the full name. Under it, write the occupation, as well as the company name or organization name. And write the address of the organization or company. And again, you should include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code when you write the address. After that, you can then open the letter with salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, tell the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you may write the letter for the sake of your client. So, you can write, I am writing this letter on behalf of my client. And write the full name of your client. And introduce yourself. In this example, the writer is the client's certified public accountant. And the writer has been working for 5 years. You can do the same based on your position and how long you work. And state clearly that this letter will verify the client's employment, as well as his or her financial information. You can make it that simple for the first paragraph. And the second paragraph, write details about the income made by your client. Here, your client is self-employed. So, you can mention the year, and the amount of income. You can give track record by mentioning some years based on the client's request. In this example, the client made a gross income of $70,000 in 2019. And in 2022, the client's annual income is $25,000. State clearly that this income has been verified by the financial statements. And write the total income for this year. You can say it is expected to be comparable to a certain year income, and mention what year it is. In the third paragraph, you need to tell more about your client's self-employment. So, Here, talk about the business, like how long your client has been in this field and what kind of job it is. In this example, the client has been self-employed for 6 years as a back-end developer. And now, talk about the income. You need to mention if your client is financially secure or not. For example, the client's income has been steady for 7 years. And the client is financially secure. Now, talk about your position. You can politely write that you are not in a position to predict the prospects of future employment. And then, convince the recipient that your client is really stable financially. Therefore, you can write, however, the financial statements and tax returns indicate that the client will continue to be employed and stable in the future. Just make it simple but convincing. You don't have to be poetic here, like talking about your client's personality in work and so on. Nope, it is not necessary. And the last, welcome the recipient to ask you questions or more details about this. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and write your full name under it. Write also your job position. So, that's how you write a self-employment verification letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.